Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your incognito browser history. Now, some of you may think that it automatically gets deleted and it's never saved, but that's not true. It's still saved, it's just not shown anywhere on your accounts. It's still saved to your internet provider and stuff. So I'm going to be showing you how to delete that. So this is for some sketchy stuff that you've done, if you know what I mean. Anyways, to begin, we're gonna be on our Windows homepage. We're gonna press the Windows button and we're gonna write CMD. From there, we're gonna right click and run as administrator. It's gonna ask to allow this app to make changes to your device. Windows command processor. What you simply want to do is press on the yes button. From there, you should be greeted with this. As you can see, don't mess around with here. All you simply want to do is write ipconfig, just like that. Then we're going to be putting one space, pressing slash, like writing slash, and writing flush DNS. What this will do is flush your DNS and remove anything that has been sent to your internet provider, as in your history. So we simply press enter and Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, and you should be done by now. So now you don't have to worry about your internet provider knowing what you've been watching or what you've been doing on your incognito tabs. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I will be seeing you guys in the next video as we have started uploading daily. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.